Ekuseba fethu umuntu ngebantu. Siyabonga kakhulu for ukusupporta siyidesk parliament. Si appreciate kakhulu le support. It means a lot for everyone who's consuming our content. Be it you are consuming our content on Facebook, you are consuming our content on YouTube. We really appreciate your support, bafethu. Keep on supporting Diski Parliament. Siyapusha la njengemajita. We love to talk about football. I-football nje into lesiyithandzako from an early age sikhule sidlala idiski yangithola vele uyayicava idiski ukuthi ekasi kunjani bafethu. Sometimes angeke siphumelele sonke ediskini. Obviously sibamba ama 9 to 5 siyakhula siba ama Grootman uyangithola imbilisisa lena le, but idiski hlezi siyithanda sibukela idiski. Then obviously masihlili nemajita lana sirelaxile, it happens ukuthi sihlezi sichallengeana ngedisk, hlezi siphikisana, hlezi sipolitika ngedisk uyangithola. Then siyakhuphula nathi njengemajita, okay fele njengoba kweneka 1 2 3, how about siphushe lempahla siringe ngediski, sibeke ikhamera laphana, siphushe le bantu entertainment uyangithola, ngoba maye kumele kube busy. And the project is not something less centralized around just a few individuals. We must also look at it long term, and as a nation ukuthi siyapi ngelithando lethu lebhola, and lislethelana lelithando lethu lebhola. Sibuke ama dynamics economy, siyabona ukuthi okay sinjenge youth siyabhayiziseka. Probably like over 40 of us abaspani yangithola lenye impahla nathi lesiyibuka ngaleliso leyo ukuthi enhleki bantu basiphakamisa, siyabona siyawathola ama followers, siyawathola ama subscribers, bantu basiphakamisa. And siphinde sibuye understand ukuthi once bantu bakubeka le, they give you basically irresponsibility to then come back uphakame nalolu lokhona kuphakama nabo, njengoba uni support idiski parliament. So yabo, with that understanding lengicela kunibekela yona, awu support thina kuphela uyangithola, siyakhula. Then lo 40% we-unemployment rate uyadropha ngokuthi manje kukhula wani kwe-parliament. Siyakhona nathi kubuya sidevelope sininini sidinga umuntu loto operate mic, loto operator 1 2 3, loto operator 1 2 3. Nyayat lenzaba aya supportwa ma podcast niwabonile a developer a grow, niwabonile ma impact labakhona emphakathini yabo. So bafethu ikhulu yihle lento lenisendela yona yabo, ngifuna nje nikwati lokho yabo, njengoba senginibeka yihle kakhulu lenisendela yona. Nathi lento lesiyenza ngelithando bafethu uyangithola, akusiko ukuthi kumbe njani lokunye nalokunye libukubuku sekta ekugcineni uyangithola, but siyenza ngelithando bafethu. Keep on supporting iDiski Parliament. Ngiso story seDiski Parliament leso bafethu kude lokunye, and ngiya understand ukuthi kwamele nisadi nathi njengemajita ukuthi like yini, what do we stand for yabo. So kungiloko nje uyangithola. Keep on supporting iDiski Parliament bafethu. Diski Parliament, we talk about anything and everything diski related. Danke izinja zami.